Good morning. Today finds me at a chilly and thankfully no longer frozen Milton pools. When we got here there was ice all in front of us, but we've cleared that and sorted that. I'm targeting pike during the day and I'll have one rod for carp and one rod for pike overnight. Got one in the margins to me right, and I've got one on a float which I'll be sort of trying different places all over the lake today. Got Coxie with me. He's going to be doing one for pike on the bottom and one for carp on the bottom. So we will see how it goes, and hopefully today will produce some nice fish. Well, it's 12 o'clock on day one. We've had one pike between us. I say between us because Coxie was on the phone when he had the bite, so he laid the bait, but I hooked the fish and landed it. So, but I've given it to Coxie because it's his first ever pike. It was, I think, 7.5 pounds, somewhere around there. But it was a beautiful looking fish. So. But it's damn cold, even though it's not got a lid on it. Certainly wouldn't want to fall in today. But I'm hoping there's some good action, but we'll see what happens. Good morning. Welcome to a cold and sunny day 2 at Milton Pool Fisheries. Been a bit slow. Lee's had one pike. I had one yesterday evening and one at about 4:30 this morning. The one at 4:30 this morning was £14.5, the biggest of the session so far. I've got photos of all 3 fish, so you'll get to see them. Coxie did have a bite on his carp rig this morning, but unfortunately got snapped off. But hopefully he'll get another one before the end of the day and actually get this one on the bank. It was a cold all night, but toasty warm in the bivvy. Say the bivvy in the shed, and my 5-season sleeping bag. And yeah, we'll just see what today brings for us. Hopefully we'll get another fish or 2 before we leave. Well, that's me done for the day. One rod just to bring in and then to put away. Haven't had anything since about 4:30 this morning. Lee got snapped off on his carp rod. But there you go. Had a really good laugh. Enjoyed me fishing as always. And look forward to seeing you all again soon.